Nizang Karbiang Long Atur Kimi Academy, Jengkha Long Parents Teachers Meet Come Felicitation Program kapedo pona birta perang kepen birta nang pali. Lokacar yawas maratum jongsi theknangji pulote aprangsi thanbang lapen lokacar yahem mesten nangji. Lasona para hot Nizang Karbiang Long Jengkha Atur Kimi Academy henlo Nizang Karbiang Long lapen di mahasau pen Private School CBSE Course Affiliation Kilong Cheng Pusi School Hempu Bazong Tisopen Parents Teachers Meet Along Thanpon Labang Swaje Mekalong Pinning Anikan Half Yearly Examination Kitok Along Percentage Kiong I Students Lapen Apia Potamapan Kachoro Patupon Maya Long School Principal School Owner Teachers Lapen Guardians Atum Chetong Pet Pen Non Eprang Kivangji Laang Sose School Kapame Ponji Lapen Students Atum Lokachari Keme Senjia Lam Hehui Kachethan Padapon
Surinira nikan surinira ingkora hini aningkan half yearly exam mat ajiti ma exam adak osoma result keme muchara tum bat areng gelong atum phan pini a parents tum phan hang lapen dak parents meeting dosi alang tum phan tum kachuro pon lapen karbia agang sapen karbia prapen pawasitan tum alang tum phan arwak pon ninga chethe pon ningkan sampon lapen karbiang long along mate NC Hill mate Tebokra district ke Atur Kimi halo CBSE school first affiliation kelong chenglo lapen dak ara ta tum banta la west karbiang long ta CBSE school private abelang pusi dak akiduk kela kara tum ban CBSE la so school la so ado koson lo mala dak tum ban sia warsai ki bipon la sini tum pini dak west karbiang long ta na dak Jengkha long ta CBSE school bipon long lapen la so CBSE school long kapachar li phan ele tuma muni tum ha Guwahati ha Delhi ke toy nang slane tum dak Jengkha hema dikublong wan dasi emthang somar emthang jaga apiro jaga dalong osomar tum lo pathek nang pusi ni tum dak pini thapon lo apening thepik adagara tum na chara tum pakajipu apen mono piranta da school apen tum infrastructure apen no dak adin manda claim bom lo apen muning pen basa facility ni tum peji la so school pen.
So today we have called all the teachers, also all the parents from Montessori to class 9 for a meeting, for a parents-teachers meeting to discuss on the overall development of the students and also to discuss on some points regarding their co-curricular activities and also the school curriculum. And today we are also very pleased that today we could honor all those parents whose students has secured first, second and third rank in their respective classes. Because we believe that behind our students' success, our parents also play an equally important role in their life. From the month of December from this year, and Montessori classes will new session for the Montessori classes will start from the month of January, and other classes new session will be started from the month of April. All the faculty members are doing very hard work for the upliftment of the students as well as the society, and in future we shall do our best whatever we can do to uplift the students in the overall segments. Students in class 9 who will be appearing for 10th standard in the year 2024.